Welcome to Premium Auto Styling, guys. What up, guys? It's David from Premium, and today we have a Porsche Panamera that's in for a re-wrap.
Asshole. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Anthony.
And I'm David, and today we're gonna unwrap a Panamera.
I can't take this. Stop laughing. Anyways, they're gonna start unwrapping it while I take it apart. Like this.
Doorknobs, door
I've never
handles.
seen anyone go to a door and do this.
What the fuck is going on here? There's a cloud of vape around me.
And who vapes around here?
Alrighty, so I got this door off, right? Wait, vape break. So I got these door handles off. They're actually very difficult to take apart. Wait, come on, break. Another break, hold on.
Don't stop on my behalf. What's the problem?
No, just the camera.
You're fucking with the camera. You should be working.
But
Get back to
that's
work.
why people love us.
Get back to work.
Walking around and people love that shit.
That's what we did. We did mess around a lot.
That's just my excuse for around.
Yeah, he says that. He's like all the time. I was late today because people love to see me late every single day. Starting the Porsche, first things first, as always, I've told you guys this multiple times, we really like to cut all of the panels in advance. What this does, it helps speed up the process. It allows us to keep moving throughout the day and not have to do what they're doing back there, at least multiple times. We're gonna get it all done in one shot, count. We're gonna measure every single panel, which has already been done. We wrote them down, and now we're just cutting everything as needed. Just so you guys know, this gas door is a little different than other gas doors. We always try to remove as many parts as possible. Getting the gas door cover off is super important because it helps us get all the way tucked all the way back behind here without having any issues.
Well, I know you guys are close now. Since you all raid together.
Wow, that looks like it's interesting.
Bro.
What? Too slow?
What'd you call Jack old? Don't ever disrespect that like that.
Different. You're just trying to instigate shit now.
Who, me?
Stop.
Yes, I do.
No one likes you, Hefe.
No one's ever liked me. I've been here for 5 years, 4 years. Still, no one likes me.
Yeah, I'm glad you understand.
I don't like you. I love you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah,
Damn, fucking beat me too.
yeah.
Yep. Ha!
Ha, loser.
Yeah, well,
What's that P stand for?
no one likes you anyway.
Loser. I wish you
bro,
would.
Alright, so as you guys seen, that was a lot of hands on one panel. That's not normal. When we're working with different types of films, there's going to be different procedures necessary. When it comes to wrapping with KPMF film, I'll say that it's not a difficult film to work with, but it has its difficulties. Meaning that as we lay these panels, if you let it sit, it actually is really hard to get the air to go out of it. So what we're doing, instead of just glassing the panel like we usually do, we're holding it up. So it's requiring a couple people to hold the film so we can work the air out in increments. It is a little bit more difficult, it is a little more time consuming, it does require more hands, but the finish is amazing. So the KPMF film, working with larger panels, it is a little bit more difficult, but it's nothing we can't handle, and it is worth doing. I do like the film, I'm not saying anything bad about it, looks really good. What I like about it most is there's no adhesive lines. As we're doing this, we are having to pick it up multiple times, and there's no adhesive lines, so it's something to think about. It's not bad at all.
I want to apologize because I know you guys noticed it. I've noticed it. This part does not show good because there's LEDs right above it and it's just nothing to deflect it. So right here it looks like crap, but it looks better right here. That's a real color. That's a blown out color. Yes, Daniel really does look like that. There's nothing wrong with him. That's just how it looks.
I do look like that. You mean handsome as f? Yeah, I look just like that. Day number 2 on the Porsche. I'll show you what we have done so far. The back panel is done. You see that all this stuff is removed, so it looks pretty crazy right now. That's why it's not wrapped in here, because there's a big wing and tail light that fills up this area. The quarter panels have been wrapped on this side. I still haven't trimmed out the gas tank. Is that water? Still got to trim out the gas tank, but the quarter panel's done. Anthony's already started putting on the window trims, door handles, so it's starting to really look good. I really like the color initially. I wasn't in love with it. And I don't even know if you can see it on camera the way it truly looks in person. You know, once you start stylizing it with the gloss black accents, the window trims going on, the door handles, I'm starting to actually really like it. Although it doesn't matter what I think, the customer wanted this color, so it's only about them. They chose a color, they loved it. I think it looks dope. All the sides done, rear hatch is done, fender's done, hood's done. We still got the side skirt to do on this side. And then obviously back over here, where I'm gonna be working on today. So I'm gonna knock all this out. If you guys have any questions throughout the process, let us know. We're always here to answer questions. And I'm a little tired, I'm a little sick, so I'm gonna do the best I can. Let's get it done.
How you doing?
Good, man. How are you, bro?
Hey, he's late.
So yeah, you're late.
10 minutes.
You're late by 10 minutes and you're gonna
He
work.
admitted guilt. He's already good.
And that's why I didn't get that door laying as I was helping Daniel, because David was late. So, you know, technically I need about 10 minutes to pay for a wrapper. So I need
Hey,
to.
why you gotta snitch me out though?
Because I gotta put drama on the
Snitch me
channel,
out.
because we all love each
Don't.
other. We need drama.
Nobody likes drama.
Oh no, everybody loves
Everyone,
drama.
you guys like drama? Let me know if you guys want me to show some more drama in the shop, because I got some good clips for you guys.
There's been a couple of times where Hefe and I have butted heads. And
Oh,
I'm
dude,
gonna say,
we-
What about last week? Anthony fucking left out of here like the worst hush ever.
he was so
Everybody hated
pissed.
us.
bro, it's because you piss him off.
I know, man. He put the blame on me.
Or when I told David, I was like, yo, don't tell me how to fucking film. He's like, well, don't tell me how to rap.
Hey, it's brotherly love, bro.
It is.
That's all it is.
I ain't mad at you.
Hey, man, I only hit you.
Mad at you.
Hey, I only hit you because I love you, bro.
All right, guys, so the inlays are under this right here. We actually capped the whole bumper. And after he squeezes everything out, we're gonna actually make all the incisions here. And yes, I said incisions.
Incisions, like a
Incisions, bro. We're like, because he's a doctor.
Oh, excision.
Yup. So we'll make the cuts and then we'll lay everything in. I'm gonna do my best to try to document this for you. If you guys been noticing, we've been doing a lot of handheld, we've been putting the camera on tripod a lot lately because everybody here in the shop is super busy, including Hefe, our videographer. He's actually editing a bunch of videos right now. So we've been doing a lot of tripod content. I think it gives you a little bit more insight to what we're doing because it's just raw footage. If you guys like it, let us know. If you want to see a little bit more in-depth handheld stuff, we don't mind. Just let us know. We'll do our best.